Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to deposit money on Pocket Option using Visa card. First, open the Pocket Option mobile app. You'll be taken directly to the charts page. Next, tap the profile icon in the top left corner. This will open a new section here. Tap on Finance. On the Finance page, select Deposit, which is the first option at the top. Now, choose your country or region. For example, select United States if you're from the US, or select your own country if different. After selecting your region, scroll down and choose Visa card from the available payment methods. Enter the amount you want to deposit, for example, $100 or $500, then scroll down and click Continue and Pay. On the next page, enter your card number, expiry date, CVV, and the name on the card. Click Pay, and once the payment is processed, your Pocket Option account will be funded. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.